Hey, good morning. Another hot day here in the Philippines. It's always hot here. It's not usually that hot this time of the year. You see, there's a little bit of haze. I think that's from Malaysian fires or the Indonesian fires, I should say, or both. Today we're going to grow radish now. Radishes. This is a different radish than you'd have in Europe. This is used here in a dish called Sinigang. So Sinigang, we use this radish. It's a white radish. It looks like a white carrot. So I'm going to grow it here. But first of all, I have to clear back because this kangkong is totally out of control, and we will make a barrier here. So this is going to be my bed. This is normal radish, white radish, as I said. We're going to grow them. We're going to grow them in rows here, about 200 and 250 millimeters apart, so about 9 inches apart, or so, 8 or 9 inches. We'll sow them down. We'll sow them down probably over a half an inch. As I always do, I put the seeds into a bowl. It's easier to handle them, or into a plate or something like that. And I will show you what the seeds look like. So the seeds are pretty big. They're easy enough to handle. So we'll do that all along about 2 inches apart, and it will allow for some of them dying, or not germinating, I should say. And what's left over give to some children or something like that to grow. Now we're going to fill in the half-inch trenches, so I'll just come in a little bit like this on each side. Sometimes the soil is very dry here. We have compost in it as well. And we just fill them in gently. Come into a slight little raise if you want to, don't bother. I'll just spray them in here like that. You won't upset the soil if you use a spray. Take your time. It'll take a while to soak down. I don't know how long it took the last time I did it. Maybe 3 or 4 days. And, okay, it's Sunday morning. We're waiting almost 3 days, 34 hours since we sowed these. I think it was 34, 30, 33. Yeah, they're all coming up now, nicely. It's 7.5 days, almost 8 days since we sowed this radish now. They're coming up. They're about maybe not quite 2 inches high. I'm not going to tin them out yet. I will tin them out later. Now it's been 12 days since we sowed these radish. They're about, some of them are nearly 3 inches high. I'll be tinning them out maybe in 3 or 4 days. They're 12 days since I sowed these, and they're getting overcrowded. But what you really need to think about is that if you don't want these all growing at the one time, or you'll have way too many vegetables. So I don't tin them out all at the same time. So I'll try and tin them out about 9 inches apart, or less, even 6 inches apart last time I think I'd done them. So I would take out every second one or every third one like that. I'm going to try and transplant them. They're not perfect for transplanting. You try and get all the roots with. And now I'm not breaking the root off that, but I won't put it there in the sun. It's morning time here. You normally should do this in the evening time. So, but it's too hot here in the evening time, and then it's dark. The sun sets here behind me. And the sun is coming over there, the top there at the moment as well. This place is very sunny. I'm going to get myself about 20 of these, and I'm going to re-sow them. The valley and the mountain, whatever you want to call it. When we, back in Ireland, we always grow our vegetables in forests because they're in the ground. It gives them much more free drainage. Maybe you have a few extra. If I have a few extra, I always give it to one of the You don't eat vegetables, right? How about you, Alan? You eat vegetables? Eat the leaves of radish. The leaves. You can eat the leaves. Of Sinigang radish. You can eat the leaves, I think, of carrots as well. Most things you can eat. Everywhere. You okay up there in the tree, huh? I'm going to be cutting half of this out anyway, because the video will be way too long. And the water, instead of, well, I can put a little bit on top of them just to clean them off. But I don't want to knock them dead, you know. So I want to keep, by watering in here, we'll keep the ridge up. That's what we've done on the other. We didn't actually dig a ridge at all. So the water will stay in this trench and then soak into the ridge. Trench, ridge. So it's been exactly 11 weeks since we sowed the seeds. I wear a glove for these because I don't like these. I'm going to harvest them all because I need the bed. I'll just pull them up like this. We've taken out some already. There's one there. They're fairly big. We have some more down there. We leave them in. And that's what Filipino radish looks like that we use in Sinigang. Them ones are too small there, but I'm going to take them up anyway, so I'll just throw them over there. And we put them in food. We use them for food here. So that's a smaller one there. But I just want to sow something else in the garden here now. So I didn't spread them out enough. I wear the glove because they're not. They just make my hands itchy and that. So it took 11 weeks to get them. That's because the weather was so dry. But this is radish for Sinigang growing in a flower bed. And if you're more organized like I was the last time, you would have a lot more bigger crop. And thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing. And thank you once again for watching.